Welcome to our in-depth review of Sandos Playacar, a stunning all-inclusive resort nestled in the heart of Playa del Carmen, Mexico. If you're dreaming of a tropical getaway that combines luxury, natural beauty, and endless entertainment, you've come to the right place. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into what makes this resort a top choice for travelers seeking sun, sand, and unforgettable memories. Let's start by exploring the accommodations at Sandos Playacar. This expansive resort offers a diverse range of rooms and suites designed to cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're a couple seeking a romantic escape or a family looking for spacious digs, Sandos Playacar has got you covered. The resort is divided into distinct sections, including family-friendly areas and an adults-only haven known as the Select Club. In the family section, you'll find comfortable rooms and suites that provide ample space for everyone to stretch out and relax. These accommodations typically feature modern amenities like air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, and minibars stocked with refreshing beverages. Many rooms boast private balconies or terraces, offering picturesque views of a lush tropical gardens or glimpses of a shimmering Caribbean Sea. For those traveling with little ones, family suites provide extra space and thoughtful touches to ensure a comfortable stay for all. Now, if you're looking for an adults-only experience, the Select Club is where it's at. These exclusive rooms and suites take luxury up a notch, offering enhanced amenities and services. Imagine waking up to stunning ocean views, lounging in a private jacuzzi, or enjoying personalized concierge service. The Select Club rooms are designed with sophistication in mind, featuring elegant decor and upscale furnishings that create a truly indulgent atmosphere. One thing to note is that while the rooms at Sandos Playacar are generally well-maintained and comfortable, some guests have mentioned that certain areas of the resort could benefit from a refresh. However, the overall consensus is that the accommodations provide excellent value for money, especially considering the resort's all-inclusive nature. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. Sandos Playacar doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. With multiple restaurants scattered throughout the resort, you'll embark on a culinary journey that spans the globe without ever leaving the property. For those staying in the Select Club, there's an exclusive adults-only gourmet restaurant that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Here, you can indulge in refined cuisine and intimate dining experiences perfect for a romantic evening or a special celebration. But don't worry if you're not in the Select Club. There are plenty of other delicious options to explore. Craving some authentic Mexican flavors? Head to one of the resort's specialty restaurants, where you can savor traditional dishes bursting with local spices and ingredients. If you're in the mood for international cuisine, you'll find restaurants serving up everything from Italian pasta to Asian fusion. And of course, what's a beach vacation without some fresh seafood? Sandos Playacar has you covered there too, with options that showcase the bounty of the nearby Caribbean waters. For more casual dining, the resort offers buffet-style restaurants where you can sample a wide variety of dishes to your heart's content. These are great for families or those who like to mix and match their meals. And let's not forget about the bars. From swim-up bars in the pools to cozy lounges perfect for a nightcap, there's no shortage of spots to enjoy a refreshing cocktail or two. While the food at Sandos Playacar generally receives positive reviews, some guests have noted that the quality can be inconsistent at times. However, most agree that the variety of options and the convenience of the all-inclusive model more than make up for any minor culinary hiccups. Now let's dive into one of the main attractions of any beach resort: the pools and beaches. Sandos Playacar boasts an impressive array of aquatic offerings that are sure to keep you cool and entertained throughout your stay. The resort features multiple pools scattered across the property, each with its own unique vibe and amenities. For adults looking to escape the hustle and bustle, there's a serene adults-only pool complete with a swim-up bar. Here, you can lounge in the crystal-clear water, sipping on your favorite tropical cocktail while soaking up the Mexican sun. It's the perfect spot for relaxation and maybe even a bit of romantic poolside flirting. Families and more active guests will love the main pool areas, which offer plenty of space for swimming, splashing, and fun pool games. These larger pools are surrounded by comfortable loungers and shady palapas, providing the ideal setup for a day of aquatic adventures or leisurely sunbathing. But let's be honest, you're probably here for the beach, right? Well, you're in luck because Sandos Playacar is blessed with a stunning stretch of white sandy beach that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. The resort's prime location in the Playacar community means you'll have access to one of the most beautiful beaches in the Riviera Maya. Picture yourself walking along the powdery sand, the warm Caribbean waters lapping at your feet as you take in the breathtaking views of the turquoise sea. The beach at Sandos Playacar is perfect for long walks, building sandcastles with the kids, or simply lounging with a good book. And for the more adventurous types, the resort offers a variety of water sports activities. While specific details weren't provided, it's common for resorts in this area to offer things like kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. One thing to keep in mind is that, like many beaches in the region, there may be periods when seaweed washes ashore. The resort staff works hard to keep the beach clean, but Mother Nature sometimes has other plans. However, most guests find that this minor inconvenience doesn't detract from the overall beauty and enjoyment of the beach experience. When it comes to activities and entertainment, Sandos Playacar really shines. This resort understands that a great vacation is about more than just lounging by the pool, although that's certainly an option if that's your style. They've curated a diverse range of activities to keep guests of all ages engaged and entertained throughout their stay. For those who like to stay active, the resort offers a well-equipped fitness center where you can keep up with your workout routine, or maybe even start a new one. There are also tennis courts available for guests who fancy a friendly match or two. And let's not forget about the daily activities organized by the enthusiastic entertainment team. From beach volleyball to dance classes, there's always something going on to get your blood pumping and your spirits high. If you're looking for a more relaxed way to spend your time, why not check out the resort spa? While specific details about the spa facilities weren't provided, it's safe to assume that you'll find a range of treatments designed to pamper and rejuvenate. Imagine melting away your stress with a beachside massage, the sound of the waves providing the perfect backdrop for ultimate relaxation. One unique aspect of Sandos Playacar is its commitment to showcasing Mexican culture and heritage. The resort often hosts special events and activities that give guests a taste of local traditions. For example, during the Day of the Dead celebrations, you might find the resort decorated with colorful altars and offering workshops on traditional crafts. These cultural touches add an extra layer of authenticity to your vacation experience and provide opportunities to learn about the rich history of the region. For nature lovers, the resort's involvement in sea turtle conservation programs is a real highlight. Depending on the season, guests might have the chance to participate in beach cleanups or even witness baby turtles making their way to the sea. It's a magical experience that not only entertains, but also educates guests about the importance of protecting these magnificent creatures. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.